In this video, I'll guide you through how to rename a Vercel project. If you've ever set up a project quickly and later realized the name doesn't really fit, or you just want something cleaner and more descriptive, renaming it in Vercel is straightforward. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, open your web browser and head over to vercel.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account where your project is hosted. If you're part of multiple teams or organizations, double check that you're in the right workspace so you don't accidentally change the wrong project. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Vercel dashboard where you can see a list of your projects. From here, look for the project you want to rename. The dashboard typically shows your projects in a grid or list format, each with its current name and some basic information. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have several projects with similar names or templates. When you found the correct project, move your mouse over that project's card or row. On the right-hand side, you'll see an icon with three vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on those three dots to open a small drop-down menu. This menu gives you quick access to actions related to that specific project, such as viewing settings or managing it. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. This will take you to the settings page for your project. The settings section is where you control most of the configuration for your project, including its name, environment variables, domains, and other advanced options. Once you're on the project settings page, stay on the general or overview section where you can see the current project name. You should see a field displaying the existing name of your project. Click into that name field to make it editable. Now type in the new name you want for your project. Try to choose a name that clearly describes what the project is or how it's used so that it's easier to recognize later in your dashboard. As you type, make sure there are no unwanted spaces at the beginning or end of the name and that it matches any naming conventions you're using across your projects. Renaming the project here changes how it appears inside Vercel, which can make navigating your projects much more organized. After you've entered the new name and you're happy with it, look for the Save button on the page. This is usually located near the name field or at the bottom of that section. Click Save to confirm your changes. Vercel will update the project name and you should see the new name appear right away on the settings page. To double check that everything worked, you can go back to your main dashboard and confirm that the project now shows with its updated name. That's all you need to do. You've successfully renamed your Vercel project, making your workspace cleaner and easier to manage.